Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to create a Valheim server and join it. Firstly, head to Server.pro and into your service. If you don't yet have a server, you should just see create service and press that. Then in the service section, you should see the type of game. Valheim is right at the top, so simply press that. After that, in the configuration part, you can set up the password you want for your server, whether you want the server to be public and whether you want crossplay enabled as well. Once you're done selecting all that you want, press create service and wait for the server to be generated. You can monitor the state of the server generation by heading to the console. You'll know the server started up when you see open Steam server. Once you've done that, head to the dashboard and copy the IP address. Then go ahead and open Valheim. Now that you've opened up your game and kept note of everything that you need, start a game and pick the character you'd like and then press join. Then all you have to do is enter the IP, followed by a colon, and then the following port, 2457. This is because that's the port all Valheim servers are automatically changed to. Once that's done, add the server. Then it'll be added so you can just click connect to join. If you made your server private, you'll have to enter a password to then be able to join. After loading, as you can see, I'm now in the game and able to walk around. If you're unable to log in, make sure you go back and follow these steps. Most importantly, make sure you enter the port 2457 after your IP, as this is crucial. Entering any other port will not work. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I was able to help you set up your server. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to reach out to us or contact our support. Bye guys!